In today's guide, I will walk you through on how to design YouTube thumbnail using CapCut Graphics Designer. Alright? In case you don't know, thumbnail is that image you see before watching a video on YouTube. Alright? That is thumbnail. So I'll walk you through on how you can create this. Whether you are a YouTube content creator or somebody trying to learn graphics design, this guide puts you through on everything you need to do in easy steps. So stay to the end so that you follow me to learn it. I will simplify everything. So let's get right into it. The first step is to get your PC connected to the internet. All right. So here my computer is connected to the internet. So it has internet access. After connection to internet, open your web browser. All right. Here I'll be using Google Chrome to do that. Okay. Then in the search area, type CapCut or just visit capcut.com. Okay. That's a better option. Okay, I'm signed into the platform automatically because I already have accounts with it. Okay, but in your own case, you may need to sign up. And once you sign up, you'll be landed on an interface like this. All right, these guys are telling us now that they have Dreamina, which is AI image generator. You can use it, try it out, but here we are not going to use it. But if you need to generate image for your design, just try it out, okay? So I'll click on cancel. All right, we are landed on this page and video tab is selected because originally CapCut is known as a video editor. So they added the graphics editor option newly. So click on image. Once you click on image, you are landed on this new interface, all right? Showing you some thumbnails you can use to create your YouTube thumbnail, all right? Some templates you can use to create your YouTube thumbnail, all right? But we don't need to keep on scrolling down until we find the template. What you need to do to make the whole process faster is to come to this search area and click and then type YouTube thumbnail. Then press the enter key for it to search. This has returned a lot of YouTube thumbnail templates for us. So you need to select any from all and then make the changes you need. Okay, let's go with this. So I'll click on this and then click on use these templates. These templates you have chosen has opened up in a new tab of our browser. So with all these other templates listed here, which aligns with YouTube thumbnail as well. So the first thing you need to do is to give this a title. So I'll click on this and can call it YouTube thumbnail. All right, after you finish giving it a name, just click out. All right, then look at these templates you want to work with. You can see cafe vlog with cafe hunting episode. That's to show you that this has just few text. So when you want to design your thumbnail, let it have just few text. Okay. Then after that, you can see the vlog option. You can see this side. We can make changes here. So let me change this to YouTube thumbnail. Let's assume that this is about YouTube thumbnail, right? So I will type it here. So first keyword is YouTube. You can see because the text box is small, it has jumped to this next line. So I will take my cursor here for me to see these two pointing ends of the arrow of the cursor. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag to expand it. Okay, good. Then this can be thumbnail. So if you double click on the text box, you are given the opportunity to delete the text there, the default text. Then I can have thumbnail. Then I will then expand this. So I'll take my cursor to the end here until I see this arrow that has two pointing ends. Then I will drag. All right, if I don't even like the font, the type of text, which you can call font type, you can click here and select a new one. All right, but we'll do that later. So I can double click on this to change this text as well. I can just click on it and then delete it. For you to delete it, click on these three dots and then select the delete option. And this is gone. But I need to add another text which will make up this text I want to have on this thumbnail, which is design, because this is YouTube thumbnail design. That's what I want to create. Okay. And for me to add a new text, click on this text here, this text tab. All right. Then it gives you some sample. So I can select that I want to add a title. So I'll click on add a title. This introduces the text box here. Okay, once it is here, you can take your cursor to the text box, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag it to any position of your choice. So I want to have this as thumbnail. So double click in the box, Control A to select all the text, and then put in your own text. Okay, design. All right, so we have YouTube thumbnail design, but it's obvious I'm going to change this font because it makes the text look so big. This one and this one, I'm going to change them. All right, so I'll click here and then select something new from here. I like working with Anton, so I'll search for Anton. Okay, look at Anton here. Good. This has changed to Anton. So I can increase the font size to something like 150, a bigger value. Okay. So let me call this 120. Let's start with that. Enter. It's too big. So let's call it 100. So you need to try until you arrive at something nice. Okay. Okay, here I've changed these fonts to Anton. You can see here is Anton. This one is Anton as well. Likewise, this. And I gave them font size of 50. All right. So create your design in a way that it will fit in properly. Okay. And another thing is important. Please, the text you're choosing should not conflict with the background color. Though we are still working on this because we are still going to make some changes. Okay, so let's work on background. So I'll click on this and I will remove this. Okay, you can click here and select delete after you selected what you want to remove, or you can press the backspace key of your computer keyboard and it's gone. Okay, anyway, you can save. Then this one, I'm going to delete it as well. So click on that and backspace key. All right, this guy, I'm going to remove you. Okay, so now I have a black background. Most times I like using blue, but it's still okay. Let's keep working. I can drag this text down. Okay. So now I want to have my image here as well as CapCut image. So get to your web browser, just get to Google and search for any image you want to use. Example, if I want to use CapCut image, I'll search for CapCut, all right? So once it shows up, I'll download it into my PC and I work on it. So I'll select the image option. I can click on this for it to open. Then I can take screenshot of it, okay? Or I can download it into my PC, but I like working with screenshots. All right, screenshot take it so I can work with it. So let's get back to our design. All right, so let me go and add my own image because that is branding. I like having my image here so that it creates good impression in the eyes of people. So tomorrow, if they see my picture in my thumbnail, they know that, yeah, this is the guy. He knows how to teach. Okay, to add the image in the thumbnail you are creating, click on upload. Then select the upload button and select a source. Okay, so here the image, the picture I want to use is saved in my PC. So I'll select from this PC. Navigate to a folder where you saved the picture you want to add. Okay, so here I want to use my picture. So I'll click on this. I've removed the background already so that it doesn't conflict with the background color of the thumbnail. All right, then I'll click on open. All right, the image is placed here. Okay, so I can click on it for it to be added. Then I'll drag it to where I want it to be. I need to close this, please. I don't want to apply filter. So I'll take my cursor here, press and hold on the left button of my mouse and reduce this way. Then do the same from this end. Okay. Then I don't want my hand to show. I will just drag it up. Okay. Then I can bring this down. All right. Okay, my image here seems small, so because I want it to cover the whole of this area, so I may need to drag up, then drag this way, then I can push it this way until I get what I want to get at the end. Okay, no, sideways. So you have to be strategic as you add your image here. Okay, then I can move it this way a little. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, but note sometimes when you take image, it comes with background. So you need to remove the background color first, okay? So that it doesn't conflict with the background color of the design you are creating. And there is a free website that allows you to do this, okay? Let me open a new tab and show you. That's a website called Background BG, sorry. That's I have it here. I've saved it. Remove.bg. Okay. Once you open the website, click on upload image. Then navigate to where you save the image on your PC. For example, this one. All right. Then I'll click on it and click on open. Okay, you can see now it has removed the background of the image. You can just do what? Download it. All right. So that's it, so that it doesn't conflict with the background color of your design. So after you download it, you may need to upscale this image because you can see in this design, I stretch this image. And if this image is of low resolution, as you stretch it, it will become weak, it will become faint. All right, it wouldn't look sharp again. So there is another website you go and then you upgrade that allows you to install an app, the app, and then upgrade the image in terms of resolution. And that is upscale.org. Okay. Once you get to upscale.org, all you need to do is to install that into your PC. You can see here, click on download, follow the on-screen guide, and then once you install it on your PC, good, you can use it to upscale your image. All right. So it gives it high resolution. So let's get back to our design, please. Okay, so we are back here. I need to have a logo of CapCut here, okay, which indicates that this is what you're talking about. This is the software we're using to create this design. So for you to do that, you need to click on upload again, okay. Once you have this interface, click on upload button, and for this PC, we have already downloaded, screenshotted the logo of CapCut. So all we need is just to go and pick it, okay. Then I'll look for a screenshot folder here. Okay, look at screenshots. Then I'll scroll down to where the image is. You can see it here. I will click for it to be placed here. As it's placed here, click on it and it's placed in this design. So you can minimize, okay. Just take your cursor here, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and get it, drag it down until you get the size you want. With this, I think we are good to go in this case because we have YouTube thumbnail design. We have the symbol, the logo of CapCut, which we use for this. And this is my image for branding purpose. So that is that. And the next step you need to take here is to download this design. So click on download all, then click on download. This is now downloaded into the downloads folder of my PC. So let's go and check it out, okay? So I'll click on my file explorer, then I'll click on downloads, then I'll double click on it. I can maximize. And this is a beautiful design. In fact, that is what I'm going to use as the thumbnail of this video tutorial. It's that simple. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas. We teach how to use different software, how to use iPhone, Android, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So if you are interested in any of these content types, consider subscribing to learn and become more productive. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system will know that this content is a helpful content. Please hit it, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? Let me hear what you have to say in the comment section. So learn more on how to complete some other tasks and projects using CapCut Graphic Designer. Consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.